In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website using the Wix AI website builder. This process is designed to be simple and intuitive, even for those of you who may not have much experience creating websites. Let's take a walk through the steps together and uncover how you can get a professional-looking online presence ready in no time. To get started, first, make your way to the Wix website. Once there, you'll notice a variety of options and features. Look for a set of 3 dots, which indicates where the site actions are located. By clicking on these 3 dots, you will be able to navigate to a range of functions, one of which is to create a new site. This is your starting point for building your very own website using their AI technology. Upon clicking Create New Site, you will be redirected to a new page. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see an option to Start Chat. This chat feature is essentially your gateway to the AI website builder. Click on it to initiate an interaction with the AI. At this stage, you will be prompted to describe what your site is all about. Don't hold back, give as much detail as you can about the purpose and feel of your site. This information helps the AI craft a site that aligns perfectly with your vision. After providing your initial details, the AI will engage with you by asking a series of questions. These questions are designed to gather further information about your needs and preferences. Be sure to answer them thoughtfully, as your responses will guide the AI in generating the most appropriate site for your specific goals. With your input in hand, the next step will involve either picking a template or allowing the AI to generate a design for you. Wix offers a wide range of templates suited to different industries and styles, so take your time exploring these options. Alternatively, you can trust the AI to create a design from scratch based on the information you've provided. Either way, by the end of this step, you will be greeted with a fully formed, professional-looking website. Once your website is ready, you'll have the chance to customize it even further. This is where you can get creative and make the site truly your own. If there are additional features or functionalities you wish to incorporate, such as a contact form, an online store, or a blog, now is the time to add them. Wix's interface makes this process user-friendly, allowing you to drag and drop elements with ease. And just like that, you've used the Wix AI website builder to create a polished, engaging, and fully functional website. Building an online presence really can be that simple and rewarding. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building.